So we're actually going to do a test drive over the shoulder to check out Real Estate University, see what you actually get. Now remember, this is a top producer package, has over 1,000 hours of content to teach you how to become a top producer with real estate. So let's just go check it out. We're going to cruise through it. You learn how to do hard money loans, conventional loans, commercial loans, reverse mortgages, all from your home, from the comfort of your house or from your phone. It's responsive, so you can use it from your phone, you can use it from your computer, your tablet. You get a diploma. You can take this to go work for any real estate brokerage firm, a mortgage company, an investment bank. And this is it right here. So let's just go check it out. So I built this, took me over 2 years to build. It's everything that I know about real estate, guys. So you click on the link right here, you start your training. It's got a great, where you can build your resume right there. You can scroll down here. Let's just go take a look. So if you have your first, and this is all categorized into step by step. You know, obviously you start, you're beginning with your welcome, your principles of selling and closing, which is huge, how to calculate income, how to structure loans, VA loans, USDA loans, FHA loans, you know, all these different types of loan products. And there's also a final exam. So you go through this whole thing, and then once you actually take the test, you actually get your diploma. But, you know, kind of example, like, you know, principle, and when you, let's say you click on, you know, principles of selling and closing. So you click on, let's say, for example, this video, there's a video inside of there, you watch the video, right? And let's just say that this is already completed, so somebody already went through this. You have your report card that shows you your score. If you pass or fail, you do an exam after you do each video. So for example, this is a phone call, and you can put notes in here. Let's say he said 3 objections. So you keep that in your notes, right? So that way you have that always there, right? So this is a phone sales call right here that I did. And after that, you'll take a test on it. So that way you can see exactly what was Angelo Christian selling. You can go return to the course here. You can go over to this next one. So here, look at all these different exams right here. Overcoming objections, how to close, very powerful.
Okay guys, now we're talking about how to close the deal. Probably, you know, the most important part of it.
So I'm talking about how to close a deal. I go over the key points. You can type in your notes right there, record, return to the courses. I'm gonna go back to, if you have any other assignments you have to take, just go through here and see. You know, it could be, you know, a lot of, right now you see non-conforming loans is a huge thing. Hard money, private loans, stuff like that. So we can go in here and watch these videos. So, and after every video, you actually take a test. Like right now, portfolio loans, that's a huge thing right now, guys. I mean, you can make billions of dollars with understanding portfolio loans. So I'm talking about this right here with these different programs.
Because people have so many different types of situations, you know, with their credit, with their income, and that's where the portfolio products really come into play. People that have...
Here's some other things that are really cool here. This is a mortgage hacks library. This is like pretty much 10 years distilled. I talk about all the tricks and secrets with commercial and residential lending. I mean, it's got hundreds of different things I discuss in here. It's very, very powerful.
All right, guys. Today we're going to be talking about when you're issuing a loan approval, you know, some of the best practices. And
again, after you go through each course, you're going to be given a test. You have to pass the test to go to the next module. And so it's very, very important that you follow the guidelines here and the criteria to make sure that you are successful. You know, track all your notes.
To execute with that.
See, and you got to remember the whole idea behind this, guys. If you learn this stuff, okay, we're talking about mastering industry right now. You master real estate, it's a $1 trillion industry. Credit, lending, everyone's always going to need a loan, right? It doesn't matter where you are. So that's why I'm trying to teach you guys. You learn the business, how to master this, whether you're in New York, New Jersey, Delaware, California, Florida, Texas. Become a master with real estate. Get your lending license, get your realtor brokerage license, get both of them. right? But don't make an excuse why you're broke or why you're not happy. You can learn this business. If you saw my story, I was poor, broke, and homeless, had nothing. Learn the business. I pass this on to you guys to learn Real Estate University. This book right here is for you. Read this book, King of Real Estate. It's how to open up your own bank, how to open up your own brokerage firm. It's free. You can download the link here, read it. I want you guys, it's a great book. Well, here's the thing. When I started the business, no one taught me lending. No one taught me real estate. And I went to Champion School of Real Estate. All they did is get your license. They don't teach you how to make money, how to close on a sale, how to do a deal, how to get leads, how to prospect. You know, you look at all the things in here, and then we have a final exam. You can go in here and take your test. Again, you can't go and take the test until you get to the, you know, the rest of this, right? So there's a final exam, and the whole idea is that you get your diploma, right? So we go through the exam with you, we review the questions with you.
Angelo, Christian, now we've come to the end. You've taken the test, and it's been a long journey. Hopefully your mind is sharp and you've learned a lot and you're ready to go out there and make a ton of money and kill it. And now it's time to do a review of the test. And in this segment, we're going to break down all of the questions, go through them one by one to make sure that you understand everything. So this is going to be something that you can do, come back to time and time again. It's a gradual process, but that's what I want you to do in this segment is come back.
So this is, you know, I mean, you can put, again, I think it's just so powerful that you guys have something like this to be able to help you to succeed, so that way you are successful, so you can make the money, so you can be able to close those deals, so you can do the things that you need to do to become successful with whatever you're trying to accomplish, right? I mean, you're going to have a coach, you're going to have a mentor, somebody showing you what needs to be done, right? So that's the key thing to becoming successful, is that, okay, I have the information. Now what do I do with the information so I can be successful, so I can monetize, so I can help other people, so I can add value? So there's 102 questions, as you can see, and you're required to get an 85 percentile to win. So here's an example of a question right here. It's timed. So Bob needs additional cash to finance expansion of his business, as well pay for new addition of his house. The collateral for the loan be a mortgage on his house. So this is the test question. It's multiple choice. You have to pick the right one, whatever one is the correct one. And once you get your diploma, any company or brokerage firm would hire you because they saw that you've already gotten approved through Real Estate University. So very powerful. So anyway, if you want more information about Real Estate University, please, you can email us at support@realestateuniversityonline.com. You can actually click on the link to actually get signed up below. Our office will reach out to you and do an intro call with you, welcome you, give you your credentials, actually have access to Real Estate University. So click on the link below. You owe it to yourself. You deserve to have this. You need to have this in your life. You need to have uncapped income. If you feel like you deserve more and you're not happy where you are with your life, go out there. I commend you for at least watching the video and taking a step. Take a trial with this. You know, it's only $49 a month. You spend that much money on Burger King and McDonald's and Starbucks. Invest in yourself. Quit wasting money on junk food. Pass that money, invest it back in yourself. Remember, become a learning machine. If you can do anything for 2020 and onward, become a learning machine. Invest in yourself. Double down on your learning, your mind. Master something. Be like Abraham Lincoln said, whatever you do, become great at it. You know, whether it's real estate, video, pharmaceuticals, technology, whatever. Real estate's an awesome industry. It's uncapped income. So check out Real Estate University. Click on the link below. Get signed up. You owe it to yourself. Take care. Peace out. Make the most of yourself.